I'm gonna be honest. I still favor Maybelline Fit Me over the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I went in with this originally, but didn't like how it looked, so I put just a little bit of this on top of it. Now going in with a foundation colored concealer. And then, on top of that, going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. To brighten up my area, I'm going with the CoverGirl Clean Matte Concealer in the shade Fair. By the way, in Maybelline Fit Me, I am the shade 112 Natural Ivory, and in the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, I am Nude Ivory. It's time to move on to finishing powder, and I use the shade 05 Fair in Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. So I'm going to take the big beauty sponge and bake my under eyes. And baking is when you dip your wet beauty sponge into setting powder and press it under areas you want to kind of really hold in place. Get me. Going in with a light neutral shade, I am placing it all on my eye. I'm brushing it all along the lid and crease and above the crease, and I'm kind of bringing it out a little bit. Next, I'm going to dip into the Dynasty color in the Profusion Prism Eye palette, along with the Not a Basic Peach Wet n Wild palette. This was the light skin color shade I just used. I'm now going to go in with this yellow orangey color as well. And I'm basically just going to place it on the outer and inner corners of my eye. And so now I'm going to go in with this kind of darker pink, and I'm going to place it in the middle of my eye, on the middle of my eyelid. We're just going to build it up. Using a denser brush is going to help you build it a lot faster. Get on the brush. Also, I'm going to go in with the Alchemy Purple and place it on top of the pink. Very light, dusting across the pink. And to top that off, a light dusting in the Rose in the Air of the purple shade. And on the very, 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 very middle of my eye, I'm going to pack the lighter pink from right next to. So now with a kind of nicely dense but still fluffy brush, I'm going to blend it all together. I'm going to also dip back in to the oranges that I used and rebuild that along the top of the crease. And just buff it out. And taking the pink, I'm going to just dust it across the top of the lid. And I'm going to also go in with a pink shimmer shade and place it along the eye in the middle. Take the pink and blend it out. Don't worry if you mess anything up, it'll be fine. I'm using the Contour and Highlight palette by Profusion. I'm going to contour. And I'm about to do one. We're almost done now, guys. I'm going in with Opal Glow. I'm also going to put it on the inner corners of my eyeballs, guys. I'm going to also put a little under. Boop, 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 boop. We are sculpting the jaw right now. One last thing. Lipstick. Actually, it's the second to last thing. Something I learned to help matte things down is to go over it with an eyeshadow. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hi, babe.
I want this exploding in my jacket.
Okay,
Where do I put it?
I'm filming. Come say hi.
Where's the camera?
My phone.
Where? I don't see it. There it is. Okay.
Move the thing.
What thing? Where do I put the moisturizer?
Just put it over here, please. Come say hi.
Ow. Hi.
Okay, I'll come out in a minute. I'm almost done. Did you hurt yourself?
No, it's just a bunch of moisturizer in the pocket. No one get it out.
Oh, wait, I'm so sorry.
I
Wait,
don't know how
let
to
me...
get it out. Feel it.
Oh, okay, babe, you just go with like a wet paper towel.
Do you have paper towels somewhere?
Or,
Box.
you could use toilet paper. I know.
I'll use it.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. That was my boyfriend. He's quite awesome.